Alright, it's another day, another dollar. We start today with a newly Linexed interior. The goal now is to disconnect everything in the engine bay. Let's do that one. Alright, we gotta disconnect everything in here. Like this guy and a few other guys around here. We'll probably be just following what the Haynes manual has to say, you know? On to the matter. Alright, we have pretty much disconnected all the every little pieces. There's a few final bits and bobs that need to be taken off. For example, this guy is the speedo cable. He needs to come off, but we'll do that when we get the when we drop the engine here. Now, but because we are dropping the subframe, as you can see down here, because we're dropping the subframe, these mounts won't work anymore because they're using the subframe. In order to fix it, we are using this plank of wood, and then we'll jack it on this plank of wood, and Bob's your uncle and Fanny's your aunt. Alright, we'll get to it. Look what we get, so we oh, hold on, we have to explain the situation first, hold on. Over here we got to remove these big bolts, and they are 1 inch and 5/16. So that big, and look, we even got so we have to go out to the store and get it. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Let's just drop the tool on the floor, why don't we, John? Yeah. We got the extension, and then this big guy.
That is in there now.
Well, that's fine. It's now a
fixture.
half inch drive. Excellent.